Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be finding points of intersection of a parabola and a horizontal line. Now the first thing I want you to think about is when we've got a parabola and we've got a horizontal line here, y equals 4 just means that at y equals 4, we've got lines that is going across. So it's going to be having 2 points. Now, for us to be thinking about where it's going to be crossing, we join these together and link our equations. So we want to know our x values when y equals 4. So we just go 4 equals x squared minus 3x. And if you remember when we've done a similar things before, we call this substitution. So I want 4 to go over to the other side. So I take 4 from both sides. So it becomes x squared minus 3x, take 4. Now, we are going to be using our quadratic equation. So just remember, our equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. And that just means a is equal to 1, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to -4. Our quadratic equation is -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you don't know where that equation comes from, please go back and look at its quadratic equation proof. So all I need to do now is substitute my values in. So negative at my b is -3 plus or minus, and that's just because we've got a square root. B squared, b, -3 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is -4, divided by 2 times a, again a is just 1. So we can simplify our equation. Negative and negative equals a positive, so I've got 3 plus or minus -3 squared. Well, negative and negative equals a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. Then I've got minus 4 times 1 is just -4. Minus 4 times another -4 is a positive, and 4 times 4 is 16. So it becomes plus 16. Divided by 2 times 1, well, 2 times 1 is just 2. So we've simplified it. I'll go one step further. 9 plus 16, that's 25. If I've got the square root of 25, that just means 2 numbers that times together that equals 25 will be 5. So that gives me 2 x values. One will be 3 plus 5 equals 3 plus 5 divided by 2, and the other one will be 3 minus 5 divided by 2. So let's have a look. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And we've also got 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is -2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. So if we're trying to find points for when they cross, I know that when x is -1 and y is 4 is 1 point. And the second point that I have is when x is 4 and y is 4, it's going to cross. If you need any extra help with finding points of when a line intersects a parabola, feel free to get back to me and I'll make a video just for you.